This is Jason from Java PC. I'm going to be doing an unboxing on an InWin Chopin computer case. This is a Mini-ITX build. It is a tiny build. Pack a lot of computer into a small space, but unfortunately you can't have at least an internal graphics card. You can use an external graphics card device, but Mini-ITX, aluminum casing, 2.5 inch drive bays. We're not going to use those either. We're going to use the M.2 slot. Mini-ITX, 150 watt power supply already built in. I/O ports, of course, standard things there. Let's get started. You have your manual, which is just a fold-out manual. It's not really thick, pretty basic. And this is your computer case. So, like I said, this is one of my favorite builds. You've got an adapter for the SATA port, SATA power, as well as a few different colors you can do for a trim piece. These pieces are adhesive, and they go right through here. So you can change this to black, like it is on each side, or you can make it blue, green, orange, or red. Other than that, let's take this off real quick so you guys can see the inside. Mesh cover. And here's our power supply and cords. So you've got your USB 3.0, you've got your audio header, your USB header, and your power pins. That's pretty much like all this in this case. So very basic, very small form factor. I really love the aluminum. I always like the brushed aluminum look. I still haven't used a silver one yet, but this does come. It's supposed to come in black and silver, but I'm not sure now that the B1's coming out from InWin. I'm not sure if I'll ever be able to get a silver one, but I hope so. So I hope you guys enjoyed the box opening. This is the InWin Chopin, and please like, subscribe, and share.